Hello guys, hope all of you will be doing well. Okay, in today's discussion we are going to discuss what is meant by IELTS. Like many students get confused what IELTS stands for. First of all, let me tell you, IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, where your English abilities and capabilities are going to be observed by IELTS examiners. Now there are two categories for IELTS. One is called IELTS Academic, the other is called IELTS General. Academic for those students who want to go abroad for higher studies are getting higher degrees, academic degrees from some universities. While as general for those students who want to go abroad for job or business purpose. Now there are four modules. Those modules are going to be observed in IELTS academic as well as in IELTS general. The first one is IELTS writing, speaking, reading, and listening. Right? These four modules are going to be observed so far in IELTS exam. And now there is quite little bit difference in IELTS academic as well as in a IELTS general. And the different lie only in IELTS writing for academic and for IELTS general. And another module that is IELTS reading, right? In writing, there will be two tasks given to you from IELTS examiner side. Within writing task one, for IELTS academic, they will deal with description of chart. They would describe any chart, they would describe any diagram, they would describe any graph or table. While as far as general students are concerned, they would write any letter in task 1 within 20 minutes. Total time that will be given for IELTS academic as well as for IELTS journal for both the tasks would be 60 minutes. Out of 60 minutes, 20 minutes would be given to you for task 1. Coming towards task 2, that would be there to write an essay for both IELTS academic students as well as for IELTS general students. Coming to the next module, IELTS reading, the passage would be only different. Like for IELTS academic, passage may be lengthier or a little bit tough. As far as general IELTS students are concerned, for IELTS general students, the passage would be short. Yeah, and another thing that may be related are having a kind of affiliation with social discussion, a story kind of passage will be there, right? And now, as far the questions are concerned, there will be heading findings question, like to find headings and to match those headings with different kinds of paragraph, true, false, not given answers questions, and beside the two words answer, three words answer, one word answer, those questions are going to be there in IELTS reading module. As far as listening is concerned, they are going to be having four sections. In those four sections, your listening abilities and capabilities are going to be observed. Like, are you able to get the accent and dialect and fluency of native speakers or not? And as writing, they are going to observe whether are you able to convey your idea and your message and your explanation and all the knowledge within a beautiful and accurate way or not within writing. And in speaking module, they are going to observe again the same thing, but again the same thing in a way of communication, right? And in writing, they are going to observe whether are you able to write something and convey your idea properly. And in speaking, as speaking is concerned, and speaking module, they are going to observe whether are you able to convey your ideas and speaking properly. As far as reading and listening is concerned, in reading, they are going to observe the IELTS exam. As this is as at the first in the beginning I mentioned, I stand for International English Language Testing System, right? Now, English language testing system, when we say this, English language testing system, here your English abilities and capabilities are going to be observed. Some students also get confused like whether our intelligence and all those things are also going to be observed or not. So answer is no. Your opinion doesn't matter whether you agree or disagree with any statement in speaking or in writing module. That doesn't matter, right? Now we are talking about listening module. There will be four sections, four tasks in listening. In section 1, there will be social discussion, telephonic conversation between two people. They will discuss any topic regarding society. Society may be circumstances related to booking room in the hotel or kitchen related discussion, any social topics regarding the circumstances or society. In section 2, within listening module, they are going to play an audio of monologue. Monologue means one person, and that one person who discuss actually something again related to society. In section 3, within listening module, they would again play an audio in which there would be 2, 3, or 4 people, and they would discuss something regarding education, regarding university. The discussion would be based on academic purpose. Like in section 1, social discussion. In section 2, within listening module, social discussion. But in section 3, academic discussion. And section 3 is a little bit tough in a sense, like you are going to realize also that now which person is talking right now with the other person. The name and the person, the gender, and like who is talking right now to whom, right? Most probably the topic, the very important topic is course discussion or any field discussion, because that is because as we say that that could be based on any of the academic topic. Now most probably there will be like university tutor and a student, they will discuss something regarding education, right, regarding university field, regarding course related topics, right? Okay. In section 4 again there will be monologue. Monologue again means one person, and that one person who discuss something regarding education. Coming towards speaking module, and as speaking module, there will be three sections. In first section, your introduction is going to be concerned so far. In whole world, at international level, if you focus and if you look at all the interviews, if you pick all the interview questions of IELTS examiners, now dear all IELTS exam, you would see that all the first four questions all where in whole world, the first four questions are going to be similar with from introduction part of speaking module. What's your full name? May I see your ID card? Do you work or study? Where do you live? Right? These four questions are going to be similar in whole world. But at here, they also observe how you communicate, how you start your answer, how you convey your idea. And speaking module, these things are going to be observed so far. As for remaining four questions or five, six, seven questions from introduction part one are concerned, those four, five, six, or seven remaining questions are going to deal with something related to your 24-hour schedule or your interest, and those things which you don't take a kind of interest, which you like your dislike, and all the things like your personality related informations are going to be asked so far within section 1, like little bit introduction. In section 2, I speaking module, there will be cue card given to you, and that cue card, there will be a kind of question, and on the back side, you will be supposed to just prepare that question answer for a minute. Within a minute, when you prepare that, examiner asks you to now answer for this question for 2 minutes, right? And within section 3, all the questions are going to have a kind of affiliation with cue card too, but those questions would ask you some social example from you. So that was all related brief introduction and brief discussion regarding IELTS, International English Language Testing System, like what would be there so far, right? Now to discuss each module and how to answer, how the examiner are going to impress, there are a lot of discussion, a lot of lectures available on our social site. You can watch it. Thank you so much.